Since the dawn of time, humans have wondered if we are alone in the universe. The night sky is full of stars, each one possibly holding other planets, and maybe even life. People have always asked, are we the only intelligent beings? Stories of strange lights and visitors from other worlds are not new. Today, social media spreads these stories faster than ever. Canada is no exception. Across its vast countryside, people report things they can't explain. The question remains, have aliens really visited, or is there another explanation? Canada's history with unidentified flying objects stretches back decades. Some of the first reports came in the 1940s, during a time when people were becoming more aware of technology in the skies. Pilots and civilians alike began to notice strange lights and shapes moving in ways no known aircraft could. In 1950, the Canadian government took these sightings seriously enough to start Project Magnet. This project, led by engineer Wilbert Smith, aimed to study UFOs and their possible origins. Smith believed there might be advanced technology at work, possibly even from other worlds. The project collected many reports and tried to find patterns in the data. Over the years, sightings have come from all parts of Canada. People in rural areas often report seeing glowing orbs or silent, fast-moving objects. City dwellers have also seen unusual lights that cannot be explained by planes or helicopters. Each sighting adds to the mystery and keeps the public interested. Although many reports were dismissed as weather balloons or natural phenomena, some cases remained unexplained. This history forms the foundation for Canada's ongoing fascination with the possibility of alien visitors. In 1967, Shag Harbor, Nova Scotia, became the site of Canada's most famous UFO event. Late one October night, witnesses saw a glowing object crash into the ocean. Local fishermen, police and airline pilots all reported the sighting. The crash left yellow foam on the water, but no wreckage was found. To this day, the Shag Harbor incident remains unexplained in official files. Shag Harbor is not the only famous UFO case in Canada. In 1967, just months before Shag Harbor, Stefan Michalak had a strange encounter near Falcon Lake, Manitoba. Michalak was a prospector who claimed he saw 2 UFOs land while he was exploring. He approached one and was burned by a blast of hot air when he touched it. Michalak's wounds were real, and doctors could not easily explain the strange grid-like burn marks on his chest. His story made headlines across the country. Some believed it proved that something extraordinary had happened, while others thought it was a hoax or a misunderstanding. Another well-known case occurred in Montreal in 1990. Hundreds of people saw bright lights moving in formation over the city. The lights hovered for hours and were seen by police and civilians. No official explanation was ever given. These cases are just a few examples among thousands of reports collected over the years. Each story adds to the puzzle. Some are explained by science, while others remain mysterious and open to interpretation. The Canadian government has, taken reports of UFOs seriously, at least at times. Back in the 1950s and 60s, the Department of National Defense actually collected and analyzed UFO sightings. Project Magnet and Project Second Story were both efforts to understand what people were seeing in the skies. Official documents show that, most sightings were explained as natural or man-made objects. Weather balloons, aircraft, and even planets have been mistaken for UFOs. However, some cases, like Shag Harbor, could not be explained. In these instances, files were often marked as unidentified. In more recent years, the government has become more open about releasing UFO documents. The National Research Council kept a database of UFO reports for decades. These files are now available to the public, showing the variety of strange things reported across Canada. Despite this openness, the official stance is that there is no firm evidence of alien contact. Authorities say they will investigate any threats to national security, but have not found proof that aliens are visiting Earth. This really leaves the door open for both believers and skeptics to make their case. Many people believe aliens have visited Canada. One reason is the number of unexplained sightings. When trained pilots, police officers, and large groups of people report the same strange lights, it is hard to ignore. Witnesses often describe objects that move silently, change direction instantly, or disappear without a trace. Physical evidence also fuels belief. In the Falcon Lake case, Stephen Michalak's burns could not be explained by doctors. Other witnesses have reported strange marks on the ground, dead animals, or odd radiation readings after a sighting. This kind of evidence is rare but persuasive for some. Another argument is the consistency of reports over time and place. People from different backgrounds describe similar shapes, colors, and behaviors. This leads some to think that aliens are real and are visiting us for unknown reasons. Finally, believers say that governments are hiding the truth. They point to secret files, missing evidence, and official silence as signs of a cover-up. For many, the mystery itself is proof that something extraordinary is happening. Skeptics offer many reasons why UFO sightings might not be alien in origin. The most common explanation is misidentification. Airplanes, satellites, and even birds can look strange under certain conditions, especially at night. Weather phenomena like ball lightning or reflections can also fool the eye. Some sightings are hoaxes. People sometimes fake photos or stories to get attention or play pranks. Over the years, several famous cases have been exposed as deliberate tricks. Psychologists say that the human mind is good at finding patterns and making connections, even when none exist. Stress, excitement, or fear can make witnesses remember things differently. Memory is not always reliable, especially in unusual or stressful situations. Finally, skeptics argue that there is no concrete proof of aliens. No physical artifacts, clear photos, or confirmed contact exist. Until such evidence appears, they say, it is more reasonable to look for earthly explanations. Media and pop culture have played a huge role in shaping how people see the alien question. Television shows, movies, and books have filled our minds with images of spaceships and extraterrestrials. News stories about UFO sightings often go viral, making people pay more attention to unusual events. Social media has made it easier than ever to share videos and photos of strange things in the sky. Some of these are honest reports, while others are jokes or mistakes. The more people see and share these stories, the more likely others are to believe in aliens. Pop culture can also influence what people expect to see. If someone has watched a movie about flying saucers, they might be more likely to interpret a light in the sky as a UFO. This does not mean all sightings are imagined, but it does affect how reports are made and understood. In the end, media and pop culture keep the question alive. They help spread both belief and skepticism, making the alien debate a part of everyday life in Canada and around the world. After decades of sightings, reports, and investigations, what do we really know about aliens in Canada? The answer is both simple and fascinating. Many strange things have been seen, but there is no clear proof of alien life. Some events, like Shag Harbor and Falcon Lake, remain unexplained. Others have been solved by science or dismissed as mistakes. Believers point to the unknown as evidence that aliens might be here. Skeptics say that unexplained does not mean extraterrestrial. The government has looked into the reports, but has not found convincing proof of visitors from other worlds. The mystery continues. People will keep watching the skies, searching for answers. As technology improves, we may one day solve the puzzle. Until then, aliens in Canada remain an open question, one that invites both wonder and debate.